International Peace Day celebrated throughout world, and this day has very importance and relevance today when the India has imposed the war against the Jammu and Kashmir people. You know, there is a grave, grim and serious situation on LOC. Both the sides of the people, innocent people, women and children are killed. In this day, I want to convey the message to the Government of India, led by BJP government, that they should shun the violence. They should come forward and have a peaceful dialogue to resolve the Kashmir issue. We are the peace-loving people and we believe in peace, we believe in democracy, we believe in humanity, and this can be saved, this humanity can be saved only when the Kashmir is addressed peacefully. It is very, the war is no option because that will bring the devastation and poverty to the region, and we want to save this region. We also want to appeal to the international community to impress upon the Government of India to resolve this Kashmir issue peacefully.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 019424685002468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.